so this is my first YouTube video. I watched a lot of people's suggestions and tips on how to start a channel, and the first thing they said was you need to catch the audience's attention within the first 15 seconds of a video. So I did just try to use my dog for clickbait. He's acting funny. Hopefully it worked. Hopefully you're still here. Yeah, so I guess now it's time to talk about myself and not my dog. But I will briefly state what I'm doing and why I'm making this video. I will say a little bit about myself in this video, and I will explain what I'm hoping to get out of this video, I guess, and why I'm making this. So I have my little reference sheet here so that I'm not just rambling. I mean, I'm just going to be cutting out so much footage anyways. So that was my breaking the ice. Hopefully it worked. That's another, like, I'm hoping that this intro video to my channel is like another kind of breaking the ice, kind of explaining my nonsense and what I'm trying to do. So my name is Valerie. I mostly just go by Val. I'm from southwestern Ontario. I was born in 1996. My favorite color is pink. Cute. Oh my god. This is a little cringe right now. But I went to school in southwestern Ontario also. I went to school for medical aesthetics, and I got my diploma or degree in that. And then I met my boyfriend that same graduated year, so that would be the following November after I graduated. So for the people who know me, they know who my boyfriend is, and if you're new, then I will tell you. He's a professional athlete, and he plays hockey for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And I mean, that's obviously, I know that's really cool. Like, and usually when I meet new people or start a new job or like anything like that, the interest in me kind of goes like when they hear who my boyfriend is, because like obviously that's super cool that he plays hockey professionally and he plays for the Penguins. Like, it's a great team. So I get it that he is way more interesting than me. He's got way more stories to tell. Like, we're both from Canada. That's just like what all little boys want to be. Most little boys, like, that was the dream back when we were kids, was to be a professional athlete and play hockey. Like, it's huge. So I'm not at all bitter or salty that people don't really care about what I have to say or what I'm doing, just because I get it. I'm here for my boyfriend, so I understand. And all of us girls, we're all here for the same reason. But yeah, so that's why I'm here. I am just trying to get a little bit of my own identity, just so I can have something to do. Since I'm from Canada, I can't work in the United States, so this would be really nice to do on the side, like, even as, like, I can look at it as a bit of my job, or like, it just honestly gives me something to do. I'm young. We're still living in Corona. So there's really not much to do yet. So this would definitely give me something to do, and I think I would really enjoy it. I think the editing process is going to be really hard, but I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, so just gain a little bit of my own identity, and hopefully it gets to the point where I can get a little bit of my own financial independence. Obviously my boyfriend makes enough money where, like, we're fine without me having a job, but like, having my own financial independence would and will be huge if it happens, just because it's so nice to just have your own money. Like, nobody can disagree with that. I don't think, anyways. Having your own money is huge. Not having to explain why you bought something or ask to buy something. Not that I have to, but it's just me as a person. I like to inform him on what I'm planning to purchase, or if I bought breakfast, I gotta let him know, because like he needs to know how much money is going out, obviously. So some financial independence would be mint. So hopefully I can gain that. It's basically all I wanted to say. I know it's going to be a short video. I just wanted to break the ice a bit. Wanted to explain what I'm doing, and hopefully I can gain a following here. Please follow me, obviously. Please like and subscribe. You can message me on Instagram at valvand and ask any questions or give any suggestions, or even say hello, and I will greatly appreciate that. And obviously, with that being said, I will obviously be doing videos with my boyfriend. I'm going to use him, and he is going to like it. So I will get a video going here soon of us doing something. I'm not telling what. I have a plan already, but I'm not telling anybody what it is yet. It's going to be fun. It's going to be funny. But I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this for years, so hopefully it works. And I appreciate all the support I can get. So, come here, Cheddar, and say goodbye. Come on. Bye. Say bye-bye. 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 He says, put me down. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.